TE Connectivity offers a variety of accessories for their circular plastic connectors that enable easier installation and a more mechanically stable and environmentally robust connection. Cable clamps provide strain relief for both receptacles and plugs, while flexible boots provide a more aesthetically pleasing strain relief option. TE also offers options for splash-proofing or environmentally sealing the cable entry, complemented by dust and sealing caps to protect the contacts from environmental exposure in the unmated condition. Panel mount flanges can be used in applications where connector plugs need to be mounted to a panel, and panel seals are available to seal the interface at the flange mount. TE's keying plugs can be used in applications with multiple similar connectors to ensure proper installation.